Your question is find the set of values of m for which the line y is equal to mx plus 1 intersect the circle x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square that is equal to 20 at two distinct points. Now what we have to do, just we have to substitute this y value in y. What we will get? See that. So here what we will get, x minus 7 whole square plus, instead of y we will put mx plus 1, mx plus 1 minus 5 whole square, that is equal to 20. Now solve this. What we will get? Here we will get x minus 7 whole square plus, here what we will get? See that, mx minus 4, 1 minus 5 is minus 4 whole square, that is equal to 20. Solve this. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. So therefore we will get x square minus 14x plus 14, and mx minus 4 whole square, what we will get? We will get m square x square, then minus 8 mx, and here what we will get? Plus 16, that is equal to, or you can bring this to left side also, or otherwise you can keep at right side only. Solve this. So here we will get what? X square plus m square x square. This value x square is there. Now comes to x minus 14x minus 8 mx. Now 49 plus 16 is 55, 65. We will bring to right side or left side only, plus 65 and minus 20, that gives you 0. Now see this, what happened? If you see here x square is common, so we will take x square as common. What we will get? 1 plus m square. And here if you take x as common, so what we will get? Plus x as common, you will get minus 14 minus 8m plus how much? 45. That will give you 0. Now what they have told? They have told at two distinct points. That means our discriminant is greater than 0. So we can say discriminant is greater than 0. So what is our discriminant? B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Now substitute this value. Here you can see b square, that means this value. This is your b, this is your a, and this is your c. Substitute this value here. What we will get? So we will get b square, that means this value, minus 14 minus 8m whole square minus 4 into a is 1 plus m square, 1 plus m square into c is 45. It should be greater than 0. Now if you solve this, what you will get? So you can see here minus 14 square is 196. Then plus 8m square is 64 m square. Then 16 into 14 is 224. So we will get plus 224m. Solve this. This is 4 into 45 is 180. Now minus is there, we will write minus 180 into 1 is 180. Again minus 180 into m square is minus 180 m square. It is greater than 0. Now solve this. Here m square is there 64 and here minus 180 m square. So that means this is equal to minus 116 m square. Now here m is there, that is plus 224 m, and this is 196 minus 180 is 16 plus 16 is greater than 0. So if you see this, it is divisible by 4, but here minus is there, therefore we will divide it by minus 4. So we will simply divide it by minus 4. What we will get? Here we will get 2 9 29. So we will get 29 m square. This plus will become minus due to this. So here we will get minus 56m and plus 4. Sorry, not plus 4, minus 4. That is greater than 0. If you go for a middle term splitting, so what we will get? 29 and 4 terms are 2 into 2. So 49 into 2 is 58. 58 minus 2 is 56. So therefore you will get 29 m square minus 58m plus 2m minus 4 is greater than 0. So here 29 is common. So we will take 29, m is common. So therefore you will get m minus 2. Here 2 is common. So again you will get m minus 2 is greater than 0. So therefore what you will get? So here you will get m minus 2 is greater than 0, and another you will get 29m plus 2 is greater than. Now just you have to solve this. What is your m now? So we can say m is equal to 2. M is equal to 2. This is one thing. Next here, if you see this, it will be m is equal to minus 2 by 29. So these are the two values of m only. But here greater than. Now we will go for inequality signs. How it will be. So this two values is how. So suppose this is your minus 2 by 29. And here it will be 0 and here it will be 2. Now we will take a single point. What is that? So suppose you have taken this 1. So if you put the value here, and this is greater, if you put here greater and here also greater, what happens? So this is 1. So you can see m is greater than 1, greater than 2. If you take the value here, so it will be what? 1. So we can say 1 is greater than 2. That means it's a false. It's a false. If it is a false, what we will take? We will invert this sign. M is less than 2. So this sign will get reversed as M is less than 2. Now take this 0 to minus 29, we will take 0 only. So 0 is greater than minus 2 by 29 is true. It's true. So therefore M is greater than minus 2 by 9 is the true. So we will take this value. M is greater than minus 2 by 29. Now if you want to make the range of this, what it will be? See that. If you put this M here So they have given m is less than 2. So that means m is less than 2. And this is m is greater than minus 2 by 9. That means m is greater than minus 2 by 9, 29. So this is your range. Like this you have to do this type of equation.